Hi everyone, welcome in computer class. This is the week number 3 and I am your teacher Bilal Ahmed. Now here is the new lesson 1.2 output. Today we talked about output, page 8 and 9. Now look at the two pages, page number 8 and page number 9. And after open, you have to write this date on your book. 16/9/2020. So you have to write the date on your books. In this lesson, we learn about what is output. Okay, what output is and what computer parts are used for outputs. Right? What computer parts are used for outputs. Now, what is the computer? A computer is based on different devices. Okay, now this is the computer, and now I'm going to tell you the names, the computer components. Now, look at this screen. It will give you, it will show you the results. Okay, so this is monitor, this is the system unit, keyboard and mouse. So you must know the names of the computer components. Now computer can hold lot of information. Okay, computer can hold pictures, videos, numbers, alphabets. Okay, but we cannot open the computer to see these things, right? Computer can hold lot of information, numbers and pictures, but we cannot see inside the computer because inside the computer there is electricity, and you know electricity is dangerous for human body. So what you need to do, you need an output device like monitor that will show you the numbers and the pictures, and you can watch and you can play. So here you can see the numbers and the videos about the computer can hold. Okay, so computer cannot, you cannot see inside the computer, so you must need an output device to see the results. Okay, so look at the two pictures on the screen. The first one is, the first output device is monitor, and the second one is printer. So you know, from the printer you can watch. Okay, so monitor gives us visual effects. You can watch, you can play, right? But if you want any picture from the computer, okay, from outside, okay, right, so you need a printer. Okay, so you can take the results out from the computer. So just keep in your mind, anything that comes out from the computer, it will be output device, and anything goes inside the computer, it will be input device. Okay, I'm going to explain later. So why we use output device? Why we need output device? Because you cannot look at the electricity inside the computer, because all information, okay, are like electricity. Okay, like on, electricity on, it will show the result, and off, it will off the result. So you need a monitor, right? To see the numbers, pictures, videos. Now, there are two output devices, monitor and printer. Now look at the monitor and the processor. When you need any information from the computer, okay, like numbers, pictures, or else, okay, other things, etc. So the processor use the electricity and then send information to the monitor, and then you can see the results, right? And printer. Now look at the two printer. In the supermarket there are many kinds of printers. There are some black and white and some colored printers. So in the printer, why we need printer? Because we want to take the picture out from the computer, right? For our making new books and new some drawing, right? So you need a printer because you want the picture from the computer out, right? So printer is an output device, right? So the picture is coming out from the computer, so it will be an output device, printer. Now speakers and headphones. You know, when you listen the teacher, okay, now I'm speaking and you are listening, and the sound is coming out from the speaker, right? Why we need speakers? Because speakers help us to listen the sound from the computer. So the sound is coming out from the computer. So speakers and headphones will be our output devices. Understand? Now machine. Look at the robot. This robot machine help to clean our home, right? Because we give information to this machine, okay, to do some task, and now it gives us results, okay. When this machine find any trash, so this machine will go that place and quickly remove the trash, right? So this will be an output device. Now look at, there are many types of output devices, right? There is a webcam, there is a printer, headphone, printer, tablet, okay, this tablet will show you the results. And the microphone. The microphone is not output device. Why? Because when you talk and I'm listen, so the microphone help to send your sound to the computer, right? So your sound will goes to the computer, right? So this will be input device. And the keyboard is not an output device, right? Why? Because the keyboard help us when you write anything from the keyboard, the text will go inside the computer. So keyboard will be input device. Microphone, keyboard are input devices. What about the scanner? Okay, so this is the electricity. We cannot see inside the electricity because this is dangerous for humans, right? As you can see. So inside the computer there is a processor, right? So you have to learn and memorize. This is a processor, and this is your homework. What you will do, you have to write, if you think, if the device is input, you have to write I. If you think the device is output, gives you results, so you have to write O. I for input, O for output. I hope you understand today's lesson about output devices. Now I'm going to revise. Anything's come out from the computer, you are taking from the computer, taking out from the computer, it will be output and devices, okay? Like speakers, printer, monitor, and anything goes inside the computer, that will be input. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.